The UH-60 Black Hawk is a late Cold War transport helicopter of American origin. The UH-60 was developed by Sikorsky to meet the needs of the U.S. Army to replace the UH-1. The UH-60 was the first of the S-70 Black Hawk helicopter series to enter service. The UH-60 has a conventional layout with the pilots seated side by side at the front and the troop compartment in the middle. A four-bladed main rotor is used together with a four-bladed tail rotor. The heavy-duty landing gear consists of two single-wheel shock-absorbing struts at the front and a small tail wheel. The troop compartment can be fitted with seats and is accessed through two large sliding doors. The optional external store support system can be fitted, allowing the installation of external drop tanks or weapons. As a troop transport vehicle, the UH-60 can seat and carry a squad of 11 soldiers. In the medical transport role, 6 stretchers can be carried. Cargo capacity is 1.2 to 1.45 t internally or 4.1 t externally. This allows the UH-60 to load a 105 mm M102 howitzer from the hitch and carry a crew of 6 and 30 rounds and payloads. The UH-60 is not designed as an attack helicopter and only carries limited armament for most missions. Each side window can be fitted with a 7.62 mm M60D or M240 machine gun, a 7.62 mm M134 minigun or an M144 pintle mount for a 12.7 mm GAU-19 minigun. The optional USSS removable short wings provide 2 wet hardpoints on each side. These are mostly used with two 1700L or four 870L drop tanks, but can hold 7 and 19 tube launchers for 70 mm Hydra air rockets. Other specialized variants of the Black Hawk can be equipped with a wider range of weapons, including autocannon and guided missiles. The UH-60 had analog avionics when introduced. The UH-60M introduced a glass cockpit with a health management computer and GPS navigation. Some specialized and export variants have a weather radar and/or a FLIR sensor in the nose. The U.S. Army has purchased large numbers of the UH-60 Black Hawk to replace the UH-1 Huey in airborne divisions and in the utility and medical evacuation roles.